Hello viewers, welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of natural remedies. Today we're delving into the incredible health benefits of sage oil. Derived from the aromatic sage plant, this essential oil has been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties. Known for its robust, earthy scent, sage oil is not just a staple in culinary arts, but also a powerhouse in traditional and modern medicine. Join us as we uncover how this amazing oil can be used to enhance your health and well-being, starting with its remarkable stress-relieving capabilities. Stay tuned as we explore more about how sage oil can be integrated into your daily routine to harness its full potential. Pause 5S. In our fast-paced world, finding natural ways to relieve stress is more important than ever. Sage oil, with its soothing aroma, offers a tranquil escape from the stresses of daily life. When inhaled, the compounds in sage oil can significantly calm the mind, making it a popular choice in aromatherapy for promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Imagine yourself in a quiet room, a few drops of sage oil diffusing through the air. As you breathe in, the distinct earthy scent fills your senses, easing your thoughts and unwinding your tight muscles. Studies have shown that sage oil can also enhance cognitive functions, helping to clear away mental fog and boost concentration during stressful times. It's not just about mental relaxation. Sage oil can also have a physical impact. By reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone, it helps in alleviating physical stress and tension. To incorporate sage oil into your stress relief routine, you can add a few drops to your bath water for a soothing soak or mix it with a carrier oil for a calming massage. Remember, the key to benefiting from sage oil is consistency. Regular use can help maintain a balanced state of mind and body, keeping stress at bay. So take a moment for yourself, breathe in the serene aroma of sage oil and let it guide you to a place of peace and relaxation. Pause 5S. Beyond its calming effects, sage oil serves as a powerful tool in skincare thanks to its rich antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the skin from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and accelerate aging. By integrating sage oil into your skincare routine, you are not only indulging in a spa-like experience, but also fortifying your skin's defenses against environmental stresses. Imagine applying a few drops of sage oil mixed with your favorite moisturizer. As it absorbs into your skin, it not only hydrates, but also works diligently to repair and protect at the cellular level. Regular use of sage oil can help maintain the elasticity and suppleness of the skin, giving it a vibrant, youthful glow. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe redness and irritation, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. To harness the full potential of sage oil, consider creating a nightly routine that includes a gentle massage with a dilution of sage oil, ensuring that your skin receives the nourishment it needs to repair itself overnight. With sage oil, you're not just caring for your skin, you're elevating your entire well-being. Pause 5S. As we navigate through the challenges of changing seasons, sage oil emerges as a formidable ally in boosting our immune system. Renowned not only for its calming and skincare benefits, sage oil also possesses powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an essential component in the fight against common colds and flu. Imagine starting your day with a soothing aroma of sage oil diffused throughout your home. This simple ritual can significantly enhance your body's ability to ward off infections. By incorporating sage oil into your daily routine, either through aromatherapy or topical application, you help activate your body's natural defenses. As you breathe in its purifying scent, sage oil works tirelessly to cleanse your airways and strengthen your respiratory health, which is crucial for maintaining robust immunity. Additionally, blending sage oil with other immune-supportive oils like eucalyptus or lemon can create a powerful shield, optimizing your environment for health and vitality. Embrace the protective power of sage oil and make it a cornerstone of your wellness practice, ensuring you stay resilient and vibrant no matter the season. Pause 5S. Breathing is not just a necessity, it's the rhythm of life. For those moments when this rhythm is disrupted by respiratory issues, sage oil steps in as a natural healer. When used in aromatherapy, sage oil emits an expectorant property that helps clear congested airways, making it easier for you to breathe and feel relaxed. Imagine sitting in a room filled with the warm, comforting aroma of sage oil, feeling each breath becoming deeper and more effortless. For direct relief, sage oil can also be used as a chest rub. Mixed with a carrier oil and gently massaged over the chest and throat, it helps soothe coughs and ease the tightness caused by respiratory conditions like asthma. The natural components in sage oil not only help to expel phlegm, but also combat the pathogens responsible for respiratory infections. Integrating sage oil into your wellness routine, especially during the cold and flu season, can be a game changer in maintaining clear breathing and overall respiratory health. Let sage oil be your breath of fresh air, enhancing your ability to navigate through life's challenges with ease and comfort. Digestion is a cornerstone of overall health, and sage oil is here to support it naturally. Traditionally valued for its digestive benefits, sage oil can be a gentle yet powerful aid in managing digestive discomfort. Imagine enjoying a meal without the worry of indigestion or bloating. By adding just a few drops of sage oil to a warm tea or directly onto the abdomen in a carrier oil, you can stimulate your digestive system and ease discomfort. Its carminative properties make it an excellent choice for soothing the digestive tract, promoting the expulsion of gas, and reducing the feeling of fullness and stomach cramps. Moreover, sage oil helps to balance the digestive enzymes, ensuring that your digestion is efficient and less likely to be disrupted by common issues. Embrace the natural support of sage oil and transform your digestive health, making each meal more enjoyable and comfortable. Pain is an unwelcome visitor that can disrupt our daily lives. Fortunately, sage oil offers a natural and effective way to manage pain. Known for its remarkable analgesic properties, sage oil can be a gentle warrior against various forms of discomfort, such as headaches, muscle aches, and even menstrual cramps. Imagine a life where you can alleviate pain without always resorting to pharmaceuticals. By applying sage oil topically, blended with a carrier oil, or inhaling its soothing aroma, you can reduce inflammation and soothe the pain in a more holistic manner. Its natural compounds are not only effective in easing pain, but also in promoting a sense of well-being, helping you to relax and recover more quickly. Whether it's a tension headache after a long day or sore muscles after a workout, sage oil can be your go-to remedy for natural pain relief, making it easier to return to your favorite activities with less discomfort. Embrace the soothing touch of sage oil and experience the comfort it brings to your life. In our continuous journey exploring the benefits of sage oil, let's delve into its remarkable ability to enhance our mood and mental clarity. The unique, uplifting scent of sage oil has more power than you might expect. It can transform your environment, making it a sanctuary for mental wellness. When diffused in the air, sage oil releases compounds that significantly reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, fostering a sense of peace and emotional stability. Imagine sitting in a room, the air filled with the soothing aroma of sage oil as it gently unwinds the knots of depression and fatigue. Adding a few drops of sage oil to your bath can also serve as a therapeutic escape, enveloping you in a comforting blanket of calmness that promotes emotional balance. The natural properties of sage oil not only purify the air, but also refresh the mind, making it easier to focus and maintain clarity throughout your day. Embrace the mood-enhancing magic of sage oil and transform your daily routine into a more joyful and serene experience. As we continue to uncover the extensive benefits of sage oil, let's focus on its potential role in hormonal balance, particularly for women. Hormonal fluctuations can significantly impact the quality of life, causing symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and irregular cycles. Sage oil, known for its estrogen-like properties, emerges as a natural ally. By mimicking the effects of estrogen, sage oil can help regulate hormone levels, providing relief from the often disruptive symptoms of menopause and other hormonal imbalances. Imagine the relief of lessening those intense hot flashes or stabilizing mood swings naturally, using the essence of this powerful plant. Integrating sage oil into your daily routine can be as simple as adding it to a diffuser or applying a diluted form to pulse points, creating an environment where your body can find its hormonal harmony. Embrace the natural support of sage oil and discover a more balanced, comfortable you. Transitioning from hormonal balance to another remarkable benefit, let's explore sage oil's natural antiseptic properties. In a world where chemical disinfectants are the norm, sage oil offers a potent, natural alternative. Its robust antiseptic qualities make it an excellent choice for cleaning and protecting wounds, cuts, and scrapes. By preventing the growth of bacteria and other pathogens, sage oil not only helps avoid infections but also accelerates the healing process. Imagine applying a few drops of diluted sage oil to a minor cut or scrape. Not only does it cleanse the wound, but it also aids in faster recovery, all while using a product that's gentle on your skin and safe for the environment. Whether it's included in homemade cleaning solutions or used directly on the skin, sage oil serves as a powerful ally in natural healthcare. Embrace the protective qualities of sage oil and keep your family safe and healthy naturally. Moving beyond its physical health benefits, let's delve into the cognitive enhancements attributed to sage oil. Recent studies have illuminated sage oil's potential to boost cognitive functions, including memory, focus, and mental alertness. Imagine diffusing a few drops of sage oil in your workspace or study area. The aroma not only invigorates your senses, but also fosters an environment conducive to mental clarity and heightened productivity. The components of sage oil interact with our brain's chemistry, potentially enhancing cognitive abilities and making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their mental performance. Whether you're preparing for exams, needing to concentrate at work, or simply wishing to sharpen your mind, sage oil could be your natural ally. Embrace the power of nature with sage oil and discover a more focused and mentally agile version of yourself. As we've explored the extensive benefits of sage oil, from enhancing cognitive function to providing natural pain relief, you might be wondering how to incorporate this potent essential oil into your daily life. Let's take a moment to discuss practical and effective ways to make sage oil a part of your everyday routine. Start your morning by adding a drop of sage oil to your shower. The steam combined with the sage aroma can invigorate your senses and kickstart your day with clarity and energy. For those who work from home, maintaining a diffuser with sage oil near your workspace can help sustain focus and mental alertness throughout the day. If you're dealing with stress or anxiety, applying diluted sage oil to your wrists or temples can provide immediate soothing effects, making it easier to manage your day-to-day challenges. And don't forget about nighttime routines. Adding a few drops of sage oil to your bedtime lotion can aid in relaxation and ensure a restful sleep. By seamlessly integrating sage oil into these aspects of your life, you can enhance your overall well-being and harness the natural power of this extraordinary oil every day. As we embrace the numerous benefits of sage oil in our daily lives, it's crucial to also consider the environmental impact of this natural resource. Sage oil, like many essential oils, comes from plants that require careful cultivation and harvesting to ensure sustainability. When choosing sage oil, look for brands that prioritize organic farming and ethical harvesting practices. This not only supports the ecosystem, but also ensures the purity and efficacy of the oil you use. Furthermore, by supporting companies that are committed to sustainable practices, you contribute to the preservation of natural habitats and the overall health of our planet. Remember, every small choice can lead to significant environmental changes. By being mindful of where and how our sage oil is sourced, we can enjoy its benefits while protecting the earth that provides it. So next time you purchase or use sage oil, consider its journey from plant to bottle and choose responsibly.